how to put a VHS tape back together. You opened it up and everything fell apart like that. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sean with Emerald Coast Digitizing. I convert tapes and films to digital here in Pensacola, Florida. If you need someone to do this for you, check out my website, emeraldcoastdigitizing.com. Let's get on with the video. All right, let's talk about how to fix this. First, you're gonna grab all these things, take all this out, put it aside, and go ahead and flip it over. All right, and keep that to the side. Now we're gonna take all these pieces here, and some of these tapes are different. All of our pieces out of our tape here, and this is going to be commonly what you see. You're going to see these kind of springs, or you're going to see the other little springs. You're supposed to have two of these, and they just slip over these parts right here, and that's where those go. Sometimes there'll be a little ridge on the bottom, and there'll be a ridge, a little peak on this, and you just match that up. These are just round. And the way this works is that slides in there like that. This one slides in there like that. And then this goes in here like this. So when you push through the bottom, it'll push these off of the reel. So this goes like that, and it pushes it off. See? And it disengages the locks so the tape will play. I've also got this little white piece here. This goes over here. Alright, now we got our springs. This can be the more difficult part. So these just slip in there like this. There we go. So when it pushes in from the bottom, it pushes that up. And you let go and it locks. So when the tape goes into the VCR, it sits on top of a spud that pushes that open and keeps the tape open the whole time. Alright, now we've got everything back in our tape. Easiest way to thread this in is just to slide that in front of the flapper, between the flapper and the post. And you see there. And come around this side, slide it through. And you see how I'm doing that? Slide right in. That's what you want to hear when you turn. If you hear that, the tape is working correctly. Let me put it back together. Put the lid back on and hold it tight, and then flip it over. And then screw it in. Tape's good to go. For those of you who have never done this before, and you've made the mistake of letting all your pieces and parts fall out, hopefully that was helpful for you. And they're all basically the same, so once you've done it once, you can pretty much do it 1,000 times.